Why does your stomach growl when you're hungry? It's not just embarrassment, it's science at work. When your stomach is empty, your brain sends signals to your digestive muscles to start contracting. These contractions, called migrating motor complexes, help clear out leftover food and prepare your stomach for the next meal. As these muscles contract, they push air and digestive juices around, creating those rumbling sounds. The growling gets louder in an empty stomach because there's no food to muffle it. So the next time your stomach growls, it's just your body saying, "Feed me!" Stomach growling, the sound of your body's food prep. Want to learn more? Watch the full video on our channel.